Google is upgrading Video Action Campaign to Demand Gen. On 31st of July, it will be automatically upgraded to Demand Gen. If you want to do it yourself and customize it as per your ad groups and audiences and work on the campaign, so you need to do a very simple thing. You need to follow a certain step. So in order to upgrade your current video action campaign, what you need to do is click on that, copy the campaign. Once the campaign is copied, then you need to wait until this paste icon appears. Click on that. Once this pop-up comes, you have to remove it. Then you can see it shows copy campaign to demand gen and then migrate campaign to demand gen. You can do either. You can migrate the entire campaign to demand gen, or you can just copy the existing video action campaign to demand gen. Now, the additional thing you have to do, you have to add your business name, you have to update the logo, and once that is done, you just have to paste it. So the demand gen campaign will be automatically created. That's very simple.